Hi, and welcome to Building a Bootstrap Website in Under 1 Hour. Within this course, I'm going to take you from start to finish to build out a website using Bootstrap. My name is Lawrence, and I'm excited to have the opportunity to be your instructor for this course. I've been a web developer for over 18 years, and I really enjoy working with Bootstrap. When Bootstrap came along and I first started using Bootstrap, I was so impressed as to what it can do. It really took a lot of the CSS, the repetitive CSS that I was using and doing previously, and really made it a lot simpler and easier to build websites using the pre-built classes that are available within Bootstrap. Bootstrap has a lot to offer, and getting to know and getting familiar with Bootstrap can really speed up your web development process, as well as being able to make fully responsive websites quickly and easily. So mobile ready websites with all kinds of really cool functionality ready to go right out of the box with Bootstrap. So the websites that we're looking at right now on the screen, this is actually the website that we're going to be building within the course. This is a single page website. It's got fully functional animated scrolling. It's got a lot of the Bootstrap components, and it's done mobile ready, responsive, and everything that you would expect from a Bootstrap website. I've also included the source code, and we are going to be building out this website from scratch. Completely blank page. I'm going to be taking you step by step so that you too, by the end of the course, can be building out websites just like this. And these types of websites, they don't really take a long time when you utilize what Bootstrap has to offer. So you can build out a website like this, completely your own design, within under 1 hour utilizing Bootstrap. And I'm going to show you how to do this within this course. Also, since I've included all the source code, I do encourage you to work along with what we're going to be going through within the lessons so you too can practice and be able to do it within your own web projects. So when you're ready, let's start creating some amazing websites using Bootstrap.